Infidelity. A word that makes hearts tremble, promises shatter, and dreams crumble. But what drives someone to betray the person they claim to love? Today, we dive into the shadows of relationships, where secrets and lies reign supreme. You think you know everything about infidelity? Think again. It's not just about sex or temptation. It's a storm of unfulfilled desires, lack of communication, and sometimes, pure cowardice. I found out by accident. A message on his phone. At first, I didn't want to believe it. Then, the pieces started falling into place. The late nights, the excuses, the avoided glances. I was blind, or maybe just too naive. Infidelity doesn't start in a bed. It starts with little lies, averted gazes, and unspoken words. It's a betrayal built step by step, until it's too late to turn back. I didn't mean to hurt anyone. I just felt invisible. At home, it was like I didn't exist anymore. So, when someone else made me feel important, I couldn't resist. Infidelity is often a cry for help. A sign that something is broken in the relationship. But instead of talking, instead of seeking solutions, some choose to run. And in running, they destroy everything in their path. The consequences of infidelity are like ripples in water. They touch everyone. The betrayed partner, of course, but also the children, the friends, the family. Trust is broken, and sometimes, it never heals. The worst part isn't the betrayal. It's living with the question that haunts me every day: why? Why didn't I see the signs? Why wasn't I enough? Infidelity isn't inevitable. It's the result of choices. Choices that can be avoided if we dare to speak, to listen, and to act before it's too late. If you feel trapped in your relationship, speak up. If you're tempted to cheat, think twice. Because every action has consequences, and some wounds never heal. Love deserves better than lies. You deserve better. Do better. Infidelity isn't the end. It's a lesson. A painful one, but a lesson nonetheless. So, if you're going through this, remember, you deserve to be loved, respected, and valued. Don't let anyone make you believe otherwise.